Okay. Well, hello, Mother.
Trying to do something, make something nice, waiting for the wind to blow so the bugs can go away.
But then it might find your mouth.
What?
That's pretty. I'm focusing on the tree. That's pretty.
Oh wow, thanks.
Ugh. I should take a picture.
So much support and love, I tell ya.
Is that 35?
Keep it, girlfriend. Don't let the buggies.
That's a nice tree. But then, when she finally realized that she made a mistake, oh no. But then she realized she did it the whole time.
It's long enough.
Then,
Long enough.
a warrior comes,
It's at least the one.
almighty, with her mighty rage.
Stay, please.
And the door closes. And I shall
Switch.
And I shall return its recording.
What? Did she finish recording?
Oh.